Whether you're hitting the trail or cruising your neighborhood, one thing's for sure, weather happens. That's why we're excited to introduce the Hard Top Canopy, your all-terrain, all-weather solution for year-round protection. This canopy is built to last with an impact-resistant ABS plastic roof that stands up to the sun, wind, and light rain. A powder-coated steel frame adds strength and resists rust no matter where your journey takes you. And the clear polycarbonate windshield keeps your visibility sharp without letting the elements in. Safety, that's covered too with the panoramic rear view mirror included standard, giving you full awareness of what's behind you. Installation is simple with 2 people, and once it's on, you're ready to roll. Best of all, this canopy is compatible with the Baja Wrangler 2, the PX4, and the Pursuit 2 models, giving you more freedom to adapt. Go further, stay protected, and ride in comfort. Call AutoMobility Store today, 800-431-3183.